pointed out, this was AI 180, which was coming from San Francisco to Kolkata. And after Kolkata, it was scheduled to go to Bombay. But mid-air only, there were 7 customers who complained about the cockroaches on the seat of the aircraft. And not only this, the food which was served to customers, the passengers, there was cockroaches, and so many passengers have also filmed the cockroaches found in the food and the food trays of the aircraft. And also, after landing at the Kolkata airport, the flight was immediately sent to the isolation for checks and to prevent it from further hygiene issues for the Bombay aircraft. But right now we know that the flight was cancelled from Kolkata to Mumbai at around 2 o'clock in the morning, and also passengers were asked for the refund or the change of the flight if they want rescheduling. We have got to know this is not the first issue in the Air India. Earlier we have been stating that what was the problem was there was completely technical snags every time. Today DGCA DG has also called Campbell Wilson for a review meeting on Air India, and today only we have got to know this. The cockroaches were found in the aircraft of the San Francisco, Kolkata, Bombay scheduled flight, and there's a massive anger amongst the passengers as well, Tanisha, because when you board a flight, everyone expects that the money has been spent, the money has been given to the airlines, so they will serve a hygiene food to the customers. And also San Francisco to Kolkata is a longer hour flight, and also in that 2 times the food was served, the breakfast and the dinner was served, and both was not fit to eat, not good to eat. It was adulterated, what we have got to know. The entire report has been reported to DGCA, and the investigation has also already begun. The DGCA DG has already asked Air India to submit the entire report on how this unhygienic food was served to the passenger in the aircraft, and also they have to ensure that why the crew members didn't inform the Air India and the authorities regarding it. So we have got to know that the action will be taken on the airlines and all the vendors also who have supplied the food for that particular aircraft. I believe the passengers and all of us who have been reporting about the technical snag in Air India, there has been no solution, and there has been no ending to the technical snag and the issues which are coming from the Air India and its express flight. Every day, some or the other flight of Air India and Air India Express have been witnessing technical snag. They are halted, they are grounded, and this has happened after 30% of the all domestic aircraft have already been grounded of Air India and Air India Express in India. Till the time they will not undergo and maintain all the aircraft of the Air India.